Who became the first woman flight engineer of the Border Security Force Air Wing? Correct answer is option C, Bhavna Chaudhary. Which IIT has launched India's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope? Correct answer is option A, IIT Bombay. Which bank has become the first Indian bank to cross the $100 billion market capitalization? Correct answer is option C, State Bank of India. Which state has been declared as India's first state to be free from extreme poverty? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip unveiled in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vikram 32. What is the name of the Indian Navy's first large survey vessel recently commissioned at the naval base in Kochi? Correct answer is option C, INS Ikshak. What is the name of India's first indigenous CAR T cell therapy for leukemia and lymphoma? Correct answer is option C, NEX CAR 19. Where was India's first digital tribal freedom fighter museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Atal Nagar, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Who has become the first para athlete to secure a position in the mainstream Indian archery team? Correct answer is option B, Sheetal Devi. Which state has become the first to fully implement the amended BharatNet project? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Which district has been officially declared as India's first child marriage free district in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, Balod, Chhattisgarh. Which Hyderabad based company has been approved by the central government to launch India's first indigenous satellite internet service? Correct answer is option C, Anant Technologies. In which national park was India's first cheetah safari launched in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. The GI tagged Puliyankudi lemon from which state has been exported to the United Kingdom for the first time? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who became the first Indian singles player to win an under 17 title at the Junior Asian Championship? Correct answer is option B, Diksha Sudhakar. Who has been appointed as the first female president of the Indian Cricketers Association? Correct answer is option C, Shanta Rangaswamy. Which of the Indian state has become the first state to declare the leave of 12 days of menstrual cycle in both government and private sectors? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Which has become India's first legislative assembly to run entirely on solar power? Correct answer is option D, Delhi Assembly. What is the name of the Indian Navy's first indigenously built diving support vessel commissioned in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, INS Nistar. India's first wildlife safe highway was launched on which national highway? Correct answer is option B, NH 45. Which Indian state became the first to achieve 100% digitization of voter rolls under SIR 2026? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. What is the name of India's first AI powered translator for tribal languages launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Correct answer is option B, Adi Vani. Where was India's first Indian Institute of Creative Technology modeled on IITs and IIMs inaugurated? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai. India's first dedicated forest university is being established in which city? Correct answer is option C, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. What is the name of India's first indigenous all composite two-seater trainer aircraft? Correct answer is option B, Hansa 3NG. Where was the first Astro Tourism Festival recently organized? Correct answer is option C, Leh, Ladakh. Which state became the first in India to launch a formal sabbatical leave scheme for government employees in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Which site has been declared India's first cool desert biosphere reserve and the country's 13th UNESCO Biosphere Reserve? Correct answer is option A, Spiti Valley, Himachal Pradesh. Which state launched India's first vulture conservation portal, the Vulture Network? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Which Indian organization became the first to win the Raman Magsaysay Award? Correct answer is option C, Educate Girls. Which state has become the first in India to use Face ID for ration distribution? Correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Who has become the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Navy to fly a combat aircraft? Correct answer is option D, Astha Punia. Where was India's first semiconductor innovation museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Which state became the first to abolish the Madarsa board by passing the Minority Education Bill 2025? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Which union territory became the first in India to achieve zero maternal mortality rate in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Puducherry. Where was India's first robot assisted kidney transplant surgery performed? Correct answer is option A, AIMS, New Delhi. Which village became the first fully solar powered village in South India and the second in the country? Correct answer is option A, Konda Reddy Palli, Telangana. Who launched India's first fleet of electric heavy duty trucks at the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority? Correct answer is option B, Sarbanand Sonowal. Which missile did India test for the first time from a mobile rail based launcher system at Chandipur, Odisha? Correct answer is option C, Agni Prime missile. Who launched India's first hydrogen highway during the World Hydrogen India 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first bamboo based biorefinery? Correct answer is option C, Golaghat, Assam. Who became the first India born cheetah to reach adulthood at Kuno National Park under India's Cheetah Reintroduction Program, Project Cheetah? Correct answer is option C, Mukhi. Who is the first woman of Indian origin to be elected as the Lieutenant Governor of Virginia, USA? Correct answer is option B, Ghazala Hashmi. Which police station became the first in India to receive the ISO Quality Management System certification from BIS? Correct answer is option B, Arthunkal Police Station, Alappuja. Where was India's first animal stem cell biobank and laboratory inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Which country launched the world's first quantum platform, Q-Shield? Correct answer is option C, India. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Textile Park? Correct answer is option A, Dhar, Madhya Pradesh. Where did Airbus and Tata announce the establishment of India's first helicopter final assembly line for H125 helicopters? Correct answer is option B, Vemagal, Karnataka. Which company launched India's first learning accelerator program, distributing 5 lakh ChatGPT license to students and educators across the country? Correct answer is option C, OpenAI. Who inaugurated India's first overseas defense manufacturing plant, a Tata Advanced Systems Limited facility in Morocco? Correct answer is option C, Rajnath Singh. Where did IIM Ahmedabad inaugurate its first international campus? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Where was the first successful artificial breeding of Asian giant tortoises recently conducted? Correct answer is option B, Manipur Zoological Garden. Which state has launched India's first tribal genome sequencing project? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who won India's first ever gold medal at the Speed Skating World Championship? Correct answer is option B, Anand Kumar Velkumar. Who became the first Indian to win the International Water Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Himanshu Kulkarni. Who has become the first Indian to win the Horizonte Award for Best Director at the 82nd Venice Film Festival for Sons of Forgotten Trees? Correct answer is option C, Anuparna Roy. Where did Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurate India's first overseas Atal Innovation Center? Correct answer is option B, IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi campus, United Arab Emirates. India's first port-based green hydrogen pilot project was recently inaugurated. Correct answer is option C, VO Chitambaranar Port. Where was India's first mobile tempered glass factory inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Which has become India's first government medical college to provide training on the Da Vinci robotic surgery system? Correct answer is option A, AIMS, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of the Indira Gandhi National Open University? Correct answer is option C, Professor Uma Kanjilal. Who has taken charge as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force? Correct answer is option C, Sonali Mishra. Who has become the first and only Indian to be featured in the Time 100 Creators List 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prajakta Kohli. Who became the first woman president of the Press Club of India in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sangeeta Barua. On which national highway has India's first multi-lane free flow toll system been launched? Correct answer is option C, NH48. Who is India's first ever mental health ambassador by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Correct answer is option B, Deepika Padukone. Where was India's first Himalayan Climate Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option D, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. In which city was India's first AI powered Anganwadi Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Nagpur, Maharashtra. What is the name of India's first high performance computing facility dedicated to virological research recently launched in Pune? Correct answer is option C, Nakshatra. Which Indian state launched the first Vistadam jungle safari train? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which state became the first to implement mobile based e voting during municipal elections? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Who became the first president of India to fly in a Rafale fighter jet? Correct answer is option C, Draupadi Murmu. Which state became the first in India to launch mining tourism initiative? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. Which state has become the first to officially grant agriculture status to animal husbandry and poultry farming? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. In which city was India's first QR based digital house address system launched? Correct answer is option A, Indore. Which company launched India's first fully UPI operated digital bank branch in Bengaluru? Correct answer is option B, Slice. Which organization developed India's first indigenous photonic radar in July 2025? Correct answer is option A, DRDO. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. What is the name of India's first indigenous 5G fixed wireless access service launched by BSNL in Hyderabad on 18th June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Quantum 5G FWA. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be established? Correct answer is option B, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Who became the first Indian woman to win the title of Mrs. Universe 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sherry Singh. Where will India's first AI Plus campus be established? Correct answer is option D, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which is the first indigenous 3D dimension air surveillance radar received by the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option C, Lenza and radar. Where is India's first fully solar powered zoo, Bannerghata Biological Park, being developed? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Which Indian state became the first to pass a bill amending the Wildlife Protection Act 1972? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Where was India's first indigenous MRI machine tested? Correct answer is option A, AIMS, New Delhi. Which state government has launched India's first roll-on, roll-off ferry service? Correct answer is option A, Goa. Which is the first Indian state to achieve full functional literacy under the Ullas scheme? Correct answer is option A, Mizoram. Where did Indian Railways test its first hydrogen powered train coach in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. Which union territory or city has been declared as India's first slum free city? Correct answer is option C, Chandigarh. Which Indian state has become the first to complete a full population assessment of snow leopards? Correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Where was India's first fully women run dispensary inaugurated? Correct answer is option D, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Who became the first Indian woman blind climber to scale Mount Everest? Correct answer is option C, Chonzin Angmo. Where was India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant commissioned on 31st July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Deen Dayal Port Authority, Kandla, Gujarat. Which state became the first Indian state to broadcast legislative assembly proceedings in sign language? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Chess World Cup? Correct answer is option D, Divya Deshmukh. India's first frozen zoo was established at which location? Correct answer is option B, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling. In which state was India's first butterfly sanctuary inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which village in Sikkim has been officially declared India's first digital nomad village under the Nomad Sikkim initiative? Correct answer is option C, Yaktain. Where will India's first West to Wildlife Park be built? Correct answer is option D, Noida. Where was the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival held in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Where was India's first aquatech park inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Assam. What is the name of India's first privately made supersonic ramjet engine developed by Hyperix? Correct answer is option D, Tej. Where was India's first AI powered traffic management system unveiled? Correct answer is option C, Delhi's Dwarka Expressway. What is the name of the mission under which India achieved its first space docking? Correct answer is option C, SpaceX. In which train was India's first onboard ATM installed? Correct answer is option C, Panchavati Express. On 20th June 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off India's first indigenously manufactured locomotive export to which country? Correct answer is option C, Guinea. Where was India's first vertical lift railway bridge, New Pamban Bridge, inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Rameshwaram. Where was the world's first 3D printed temple unveiled? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Which Indian state became the first to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Who became the first Indian astronaut to go to the International Space Station? Correct answer is option A, Shubhanshu Shukla. Who has become the first CISF officer to summit Mount Everest? Correct answer is option B, Geeta Samota. Which city became India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is option B, Kozhikode. When will India's first digital census be held? Correct answer is option C, 2027. Where did ISRO launch India's first analog space mission? Correct answer is option B, Leh Ladakh. Which state has become the first to establish a senior citizens commission? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jayashri Venkateshan. When will India launch its first manned deep sea mission, Samudrayan? Correct answer is option A, 2026. Which aerospace startup launched India's first electric vertical takeoff and landing air taxi prototype? Correct answer is option B, Sarla Aviation. Where is India's first quantum computing village being established? Correct answer is option C, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the first World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Who became the first woman at the camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki. Where is India's first e-waste recycling eco park being set up in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which fintech company became India's first unicorn of 2025? Correct answer is option C, JustPay. Where has India established its first zoo-based biobank for wildlife conservation? Correct answer is option B, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling. Who has become the first woman law secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Gurugram. Which state became the first Indian state to implement a uniform civil code? Correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. In which Indian city was the country's first gold melting ATM recently installed? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. India's first hydrogen fuel cell bus launched in which city in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leh Ladakh. Which has become the India's first non-banking financial company in the maritime sector? Correct answer is option C, Sagarmala Finance Corporation Limited. Where is India's first green data center being established? Correct answer is option D, Ghaziabad. Which state government has laid the foundation stone for India's first gallium nitride based semiconductor fabrication plant? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Which city has been declared India's first beggar free city recently? Correct answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Where was India's first digital tribal freedom fighter museum inaugurated? And the question number second is, who became the first woman flight engineer of the Border Security Force Air Wing? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.